Welcome back to Scotties Hobbies. I've been getting a lot of questions about these deregulations going through legislation about small gas-powered engines here in California. As we all know, in 2024, California banned the sale of small gas engines. So mostly like lawn care stuff. You got lawnmowers, chainsaws, leaf blowers, weed eaters, stuff like that. Before we get too far into this video, make sure to hit that like button right now, please. Like, subscribe, hit the ring bell so you don't miss any of my future videos, and tell everybody about Scotties Hobbies. I went and did some research for you guys because quite a few asked about this. Are we gonna be able to start buying gas engines, small gas engines again here in California? And short answer is probably no. So what is going on is there's no real legislation that will deregulate or allow the sale of gas-powered small engines here in California. Now, a byproduct of if the Clean Air Act Section 209 gets deregulated or gets made illegal, whatever you want to call it, that action might make an action here in California to where we can start selling gas engines again. But what really happened here is this isn't a rule that CARB came up with. This is a rule that was introduced to the Assembly here in California from Mark Berman of the 23rd District of California. So that's going to be like the San Francisco Peninsula, the Silicon Valley area of California. That bill was introduced in 2021, became law late 2021, or was signed by the governor, which caused the ban of sales of small gas engines here in California. So this was a rule that was brought up in the legislature and then sent to CARB for CARB to start enforcing. CARB didn't come up with this one, but now they have to enforce it because the California legislature approved it. It was signed by the governor, so it went on to CARB. Now, for this rule to get reversed, two things could happen. One, Section 209 of the Clean Air Act could get repealed or deregulated, or a senator or assemblywoman or man from here in California could submit a bill to the legislature here in California that could deregulate this bill or rescind this bill. How likely is that to happen? I don't think too likely. But also, I'm looking for a good gas-powered weed eater for around the house. So if you guys know of a good, affordable, reliable, small weed eater that is one that I should go look for, let me know in the description below as well. Doing research into this, it seems that a lot of California cities have problems with leaf blowers. It doesn't look like it's getting easier to use gas-powered engines in California, but it looks like it's getting harder actually for leaf blowers. There's lots of cities out there already that ban leaf blowers or that ban them other than in like city parks, which is kind of unfair, right? So is that going to expand to other gas-powered small engines later, like your chainsaws and your weed eaters? Are those going to be banned eventually? Who really knows? And I don't see any real bills out there that are going to ban those. But hey, they say leaf blowers are one of the worst emitting polluters out there, which is kind of crazy. They say it's worse than a modern car. So 1 hour of a leaf blower blowing is worse than like 300 miles of a car driving at 300 miles an hour or something. It was some ridiculous numbers that I was reading. I was like, I couldn't help but laugh when I was reading all this. But to sum it up, small gas-powered engines in California look like they are going to be continued to be banned for sale. You could obviously buy used ones. The resale market isn't banned. The repair market isn't banned. But they are really trying to force people into using electric lawn and garden equipment. So sad to say, you guys, it does suck. But don't get your hopes up about being able to buy any small gas-powered engines here in California anytime soon. Sorry to break it to you guys. If this video helped you out, or if you found it any type of entertaining, please hit the like button right now. Check out the video library for other videos, DIY maintenance on your vehicle, and also deregulation of emissions laws and regulations that might be coming up. I appreciate you guys watching, taking the time to listen to me. Thanks for checking out Scotties Hobbies, and I will see you on the next hopefully helpful video.